just like a teacher creates lessons for teaching, similarly the teacher can also create assessments on the same platform. So let's again take this example of photosynthesis itself. So along with creating the lesson, I've also created my assessment. So basically, these are some of the questions that I have prepared here. So the first thing is creating the assignment. So you have a lot of options to create the questions. So you can create multiple choice questions. You can have multiple select as the option. You can create true or false. You can have a picture as a choice, like which is the right picture, which is not the right picture. Or if your curriculum, or let's say if your content already has questions along with it, and you have already put it in the course management during the admin registration phase, so all of that will again be available. And what you see here, the auto question generation is one of the key highlights of this platform, because this helps the teacher to automatically generate the questions based on the content that you have given here, where the AI can actually automatically generate questions. So let me pick up some topics. So let's say I just open this Wikipedia and I say that this is the content here. So all I can do is if I can just copy it here, go to my platform. Okay, I can just put it here. So it doesn't have to come from Wiki there. It could have come from our own content, because I would have to again go back to the lesson, copy it. So I just to show it to you quickly, I just copied it from outside, and again post that entire set of paragraph here and ask my AI to do the question generation. And what it does is basically it contacts our AI engine, and then this automatically generates questions for me. So these are the questions that I have generated now. I did not have to do anything. I have to check, like say, whether it is accurate, it is not accurate. I can just copy it and continue to edit it. So I can select which all I want to add, select it and go and add it to your questions. So automatically within within few seconds or a minute or so, your question bank is ready for that particular topic, and then just add this and they get added into your questions here. So that way even preparing the questions for a particular topic is also made easy using the same platform. Okay, so let's say now this is the set of questions I have, and you see that there are 4 questions and there are 9 points. So I can have different grading for each questions. So some have 2 points, let's say some have 4 points. And this is an example of picture question. So I have 2 pictures and I have uploaded 2 different pictures to ask the student which is the right one, which says which of these need oxygen. Okay, so let us quickly preview how does it look. Okay, so it says total score is 9, the description, and it says that each question carries different marking and there is no negative marking right now. So you can of course do that as well. Okay, so let us see how does it look. This is how the student will be seeing this when they have to answer it. So these are the different options that he will have. So this way he'll select whichever is right, and then he'll be able to answer this assessment. So now what you see here is the settings, so which gives the control of how this assessment will be shared. So you have an option to say when is it due for, like when is the last date for this, what is the time limit for this, and you can also shuffle the question. So what one student sees as first question may be different, and what are the answers that can also get shuffled. Okay, so all this is available. Then there is a rubric, you can instructions that you want. You can also select different themes. And the best part is that now you don't have to find out who are students in this class. Okay, that is already done by the admin. So the entire class automatically gets selected here, and you see that these are the students in your class. So the moment you actually publish this, that gets notification goes to the student. So let's see this now. So let us publish and see what happens when they answer it. Okay, so I created it, and now I'm publishing this, and I say that this is the assessment. Do you want to publish? And just say publish.
So immediately we can see that the student has received the notification here, and no matter which page or which place they are on, they will just click this notification. And if they want to attend this assessment now, they can just simply click on this and immediately start the assessment.
Okay, so if you see my screen on the left side, which is the teacher screen, and the right side is the student screen. So you see that on the teacher side already the analytics is doing its work and it's giving out the insights on this. Let's say, for example, it shows that one student didn't get anything right. One student got 8 out of 9 and 9 out of 9. So it says that like 3 responses are submitted, like 3 of the students actually answered. This is the response rate right now, and average time for completion was 1 minute, and other key statistics are shown here. So this way now teacher did not do any of those carrying those papers, evaluating, sitting night and checking whether the answer was right. All this the platform handles by itself, does the auto correction. So this basically does assessment creation, assessment publishing, student answering it. So it's basically answering it, grading it. So everything is automatically done by the system. Even the questions can be automatically generated by the assessment, given the right the paragraph or the questions from where the text the text from where the questions have to be generated. So that's about the assessment module. So now as you keep taking this assessments, all this data is now fed to our insights and analytics for each of those class. So over a period of time, the admin will get to know the insights and analytics about this. So now let's go back to that part quickly. So I think so we are already nearing the completion, so I'll not take much time. So we'll just quickly show you, let's say for example this training class, and let's say where will this get captured. So as and when the assessments continue to progress, you'll notice that the percentage of students who got A+, the percentage of students who got A grade, the percent of students who got D grade. And similarly, you'll also notice the other graph that gets populated over a period of time. Like say for photosynthesis, the assessment, what was the level? So this was 1 dot because one assessment was done. So as and when the many assessments are given, so the score is automatically populated here. So you'll know whether the score is an up curve or a down curve. Okay, so by this the institute already knows whether the are the students' progress going well, instead of waiting for the end of the semester or end of the class to know that whether the performance was good or not. So it can be tracked on a regular, weekly, daily basis on how the